This model we are looking at right now is a green roof prepared by Zero Roof, the company that did the Vancouver Olympic Village, as well as the Dearborn, Michigan Fort plant, which is the largest green roof in the world. What we did over here is we used corrugated metal roofing coated with Bontac along here. We applied half-inch Owens Corning XPS board without the use of fasteners. To that we laminated, again using Bontac 1430 Canadian Gypsum Corporation roofing board. Then Zero Roof 20 mil polyethylene with absorbent material to retain moisture, and the green vegetation put on top of that. Instead of using metal parapets, we actually took half-inch XPS board and used that as perimeter parapets. One of the things that is most unusual about the Bontac coating used as an adhesive is that we could actually put up, if you look at this side, a sloping green roof, 45-degree angle, and the adhesion, at least of the polyethylene and the roofing materials, are perfectly fixed so long as you have the proper adhesive materials for the actual vegetation matter. And then you can effectively put up an angled green roof where that may be desired.